I'm going to show you how to introduce exercise into your weekly schedule.
I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started.
Starting small is a good idea. One of the best ways to introduce exercise to your busy weekly schedule is by starting small. You want to be easy on yourself so you can keep going until you fully adapt. By starting small, I mean you need to do simple exercises. Starting big with complex exercises is not the way to go, especially if you have a busy schedule. In fact, in fitness, a beginner should not start with complex exercises. Have the right mindset. Having the right mindset is important in health and fitness. Here we're talking about having a positive mindset. If you truly want to introduce exercise to your weekly schedule, you have to stop thinking those negative thoughts about exercise or workouts. Negative thoughts will only kill your willpower. Just think positively. Think of how exercise will help you get in shape, keep you feeling good about yourself, and keep illnesses at bay. Adjust your time to wake up. Some people have very demanding jobs such that they can't find time to exercise during the day. However, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't exercise. You can do something about that, and one way to do that is to wake up earlier. You can wake up an hour before your normal time and take a morning run or get to a nearby gym for a workout. Have a support system. In the fitness journey, having a support system is really helpful. A support system helps keep you accountable and committed to your workout schedule. A support system can be your friend, colleague, or family member whom you work out with. Your support system is there to encourage you to keep going. Get a gym membership. Getting a gym membership in a gym near your workplace is a good decision as you will stay committed to your workouts. Remember, memberships cost money, so you don't want to pay for a membership and simply do nothing. Joining a gym near your workplace can make it easier to incorporate exercise into your daily life. Working out in a gym is better as you will have access to plenty of equipment and professional fitness trainers who will guide you in performing the exercises with the right form. Always take the stairs. How many times do you take the stairs? Taking the stairs is one of the easiest forms of exercise, and you don't have to create time for it. You can easily include it in your daily schedule by just taking the stairs when you get to work, go for lunch, and when you leave work. Isn't that easy? Taking stairs is a simple form of cardio training as it increases your heart rate, which is good for the health of your heart. Make your exercise schedule a habit. It's been said that it takes 21 days to form a habit. You want to make exercise a habit or a part of your daily life. This is one of the best habits you'll ever have. To make it a habit, always have a look at it in the morning when you wake up. Your mind will be aware that the plan of the day also includes exercise. It'll always be at the back of your mind, and there is no way that your schedule should end without fulfilling it. Always track your exercises. Tracking your exercises is important as you'll be able to measure your progress and determine your activity level. When you realize that your activity level is improving, you'll be motivated to keep on going. It feels good when you realize you can do something you couldn't do a few days ago. This way, you will gain more insights about your progress. Now it's time to quit making excuses. You know what they say about excuses. Everybody has them, and they all stink. Excuses should never be a part of your life in whatever you do. To introduce exercise to your weekly schedule, quit making excuses. Create time for exercise because you have that time. With one or two adjustments, you'll realize you have plenty of time to exercise. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and click on this video to dispel myths about carbohydrates. That's it. That's all. See you next time.